Okay, so this is my mid-2010 MacBook. It's obviously the white MacBook, as you can see. It's got a couple of cracks on the back here, but that doesn't stop use of it. But what's happened more recently, and it's happened for a while, this has bubbled right up. And what it means is that if you're typing on it, it really doesn't work very well at all, because the whole MacBook, which used to feel lovely and solid, doesn't feel solid at all. So what I decided to do was get one of these cases for it. Now obviously it's not going to go on as is, because the bubble is going to just stop it from coming up. So I'm going to have to pull this right off. I've had a look at other videos where other people have re-glued and just sort of fit different bases on it, and I just thought I'd go with the cheapest option really. So if I pull this, because underneath it looks pretty clean really, it doesn't seem to have left any glue residue behind. You don't need to worry about the screws, because the screws aren't holding the rubber in place, they're holding just the metal. Okay, so just putting some WD-40 on. I put it on the cloth, so obviously I don't want it to drop down onto the board. Okay, so it's all off now. All the plastic is off. I'm missing a screw, which I lost ages ago. What you'll find from this is these screws are slightly protruding, so you can't use it on any surface as is. You could put rubber feet on it, which I was thinking about doing. But rather than that, what I did was went on eBay and I found one of these hard shell covers, and this was £8.99, and it came really quickly. So where is it? The CD side is there. So you literally just clip it in. There you go. So that's clipped in. You can use it as it is like that. So you can use it with just the clamshell on the bottom. And I like the way it fits. It's actually pretty neat the way it fits. I mean, it doesn't look as good as the old Mac, but there wasn't really a lot of options. And these, if I bought a replacement rubber base, it was probably going to fail anyway. So I just thought this was a cheaper way of doing it, and it still protects my Mac. So if I clip on this top cover as well, you can see if I flip it up now, just to make sure it's there. Okay, so I hope this quick fix helped. I've got some more videos involving this Mac because I still use it on a regular basis. It's still a great device. It's got 8 gig of RAM in it, and it's got a solid state drive as well. So it's really breathed a new lease of life in it. I've run Chrome OS on it, and that ran really well. I'm just about to dual boot with Windows 10 and Mac OS because I've got a few things I want to try on Windows 10. Yeah, I hope you liked this video. Thanks very much for watching. Please like and subscribe.